A strap wrench should be used instead of a pipe wrench when working with delicate or easily damaged pipes, such as chrome, PVC, or polished surfaces. The strap, usually made of rubber or fabric, wraps around the pipe and provides a secure grip without leaving scratches or marks, which can happen with the metal jaws of a traditional pipe wrench. Strap wrenches are also ideal for gripping smooth or irregularly shaped pipes, where a pipe wrench's serrated teeth may slip or fail to get a secure hold. They are particularly useful in situations where there is minimal space around the pipe, as the strap can be adjusted to fit snugly, offering more flexibility than a rigid pipe wrench. Strap wrenches are also helpful for turning valves, fittings, or other objects that need to be gripped without damaging their surface or threads. For instances where torque and gripping power are required, but there's a need to avoid marring or causing deformation, a strap wrench is the preferred choice. In short, while pipe wrenches are better for heavy-duty plumbing, a strap wrench is the go-to tool when dealing with sensitive materials or smaller, irregularly shaped pipes.